Hi, this is Erica, and this is the week 3 video. Um, so I'm having a hard time to use the Python idle because I don't know where to run. So if you look here, let me move the screen a little bit. How do I do that? Oh, no. Okay, I don't know how to do that, but once I have the Python idle, I don't know where to run. There is no like run module like yours. So I've been looking and I don't know how to run otherwise with the shell. So because of that, I have been, I don't know where to do, I don't know where to go. So because of that, I've been using this PyCharm. I do have a dummy folder where I can save things. So I'm not sure what you want for this week because it's kind of like vague. I have some codes that I'm gonna plug it and show it to you that works. So speed is equal 80 if speed 80 print license and registration please. Elif speed print have a good day. Alright, and I'm gonna run this. And it works. License and registration. Oh, I wrote it wrong. Please. There you go. License and registration, please. Process, finish with 0 errors. So, file. I'm not really sure how to save this and reopen. There is not like a save button. So I'm not sure how to save. Project. This is kind of like, I'm still trying to figure out how to do this. New project, learn. So I don't know how to save and rerun. I know how to plug the code in here and make sure it works, but I don't know how to save and rerun it after. Alright, one more. A is equal to 100. B is equal 100. If B is greater than A, print B is greater than A. A. So I don't know why do we need to use two equal signs here. It doesn't make sense to me, but this is how it is. Oops, print A and B are equal. Now else print A is greater than B. Run it. A is greater than B. Cool, that works. I don't know what else. else to put in here? Try one more. Go back to my notes. So A equals 290, B equals 250. C equals 220. If A bigger B and C greater to A, print both conditions are true. Let's run it. It says finish with 0 code. 0 is it? Okay, but if A is greater than B and C is greater, yeah, because, okay, else. Print that's it. Okay. That's it. That's it. Okay. I don't know if this is good for you, but this is kind of what I got from this week. I mean, there are more things, but I really need to work on those things better. So just let me know how it goes. All right, thank you.